Okay, what's up, y'all? I decided to break out my Roland XP50 tonight again. I haven't had it in a while. I was trying to fix it. I don't know what's wrong with it. I know it's old, but I'm not sure if I dropped it or what. But it does come on. Um, and when I MIDI it out, the keys work. The keys respond to sound, so that's not the problem. I said it powers up. It used to have some sound coming out, but now I don't hear any sound. So I'm posting this online, hoping somebody with an XP50, something like this similar happened, that you can possibly tell me or give me some suggestions on what I could possibly look for. I opened it up, I looked in it, I don't see anything cracked or anything broken. So I'm trying to avoid taking it to a Roland shop to get it fixed. But this is my very first keyboard and I love it and I really want to keep it. So I'm in a bind here, so of what to do. So I just want to put this video on YouTube and maybe somebody out there can maybe give me some things to probably troubleshoot to try to help get the sound to come back. So if you do, please leave me a comment in the comment section. I would appreciate it. Thank you.